pro bono work in Singapore has had a long-standing and illustrious history exemplified by outstanding heroes and heroines such as the late Harry Elias Senior Counsel and Ms. Malati Das. Since 2007, we have helped more than 132,000 people. You are about to listen to 3 outstanding stories of that 132,000.
First of all, the first thing she said was that my mom was in prison. So that was one thing that triggered me because like I didn't want to be in the same place where my mom was. You know, I felt that losing one person was enough. Why put myself into that also? And then the second thing was that she told me, how will you feel if your mom were to know that you are in there together? You know, and it just gave me a wake-up call. It just told me like I should fix my actions, admit my mistake, and just change for the better. Up to this day, I still have to thank her. I will still keep thanking her. It's still something that I put very close to my heart because this is one of the impactful things that have happened in my life, and I hope I don't make the wrong choices again. And if I do, I don't know what to say to her. So I know I won't lah.
AG ရုံးကနေပြီးတော့ AG ကခေါ်လာတော့သူတို့ဒီ Tampines အိမ်ကိုခေါ်လာလေ Tampines ကိုခေါ်လာတော့သူတို့ကတိတ်ခဲတာ baby ကိုတိတ်ခဲခိုင်းနေပေါ့နော်အဲ့လိုမျိုးခါကျတော့သူတို့ကတစ်ခါတလေမှာတော့အိမ်တန်းရှိရလို့ပြရမယ်ဒီလိုပဲပြောတာပေါ့နော်ဒါပေမဲ့သူတို့ကကျမကိုခိုင်းတာကတမျိုးပေါ့နော်ပြီးတော့လေကျမအိမ်ရှင်ကကျမတထေးကဘသူ့ဘဝဆိုတာလဲကျမမသိတော့ကျမအင်္ဂလိပ်စကားလည်းမသိဘူးလေအများကြီးပဲစဉ်းစားတယ်ပေါ့နော်ဒီတရားကိုတပိနိုင်မလားရှုပ်မလားမသိဘူးနော်အဲ့လိုမျိုးတွေတော့လည်းအရင်ကိုစိတ်လှုပ်ရှားတယ်အဲ့ဒီချိန်မှာရှင်းနေရတဲ့အခါမှာကျွန်မရှင်းနေတွေ့တဲ့အခါမှာကျွန်မအရင်ကိုအားရှိတယ်ရှင်းနေကကျွန်မတို့အကောင်းဆုံးဆောင်ရွက်ပေးမယ်လို့လည်းယုံကြည်ရပေါ့နော်အရင်လည်းအားကိုးတယ်ပေါ့ရှင်းနေတယ်ကျေးဇူးတင်တယ်ပေါ့
First, 2012, nung asawa ko yung nakulong, yung tatay ng mga anak ko, ng 4 na anak ko, babalik-balik na lang 2 times na I forgive him, but the 3rd time, siguro hindi na po pwede yun, di ba? Para sa karapatan ng mga anak ko na ayaw na rin siya makasama ng mga anak ko. Kaya pinaglaban ko yung mga anak ko. Dahil kung para sa akin lang, dahil hindi naman ako taga rito, pwede naman akong umuwi ng Pilipinas. Pero paano magiging buhay ng mga anak ko kung iiwan ko sa kanya yung mga anak ko? Lalo na at ang mga anak ko matatalino. Direkomenda ako sa isang lawyer dito sa Singapore na si Mr. Wilbur, na taga pro bono siya. Kaya ako sa inyo mga kababayan, maging strong lang kayo kung ano maging problema nyo. Nandyan ang pro bono para sa ating lahat dito sa Singapore na nangangailangan ng tulong.
Some years ago, during one of our general elections, the blind people got quite concerned. They wanted to vote and exercise their rights and duties as a citizen. However, at that time, they found it very difficult to vote because these ballot slips were produced for people who could see. So the blind people couldn't vote on their own. They needed an officer to help them mark their ballots. They felt that they wanted to participate fully in our democracy. Now, with the help of Project Law Help, we reached out to the Ministry of Law, who were able to change the process to enable blind people to use a stencil which they put over the voting slip, and they would then be able to feel and use their sense of touch to see where the boxes were. In that case, they could take a pen and mark an X against the candidate they chose. So, for the first time, thanks to Law Society Pro Bono Services, blind people were able to vote on their own.
We thank you for your strong support for both the mission and the vision of access to justice. It is the combined efforts of the sacrificial time and talent of the profession, together with the giving of a generous public, and coupled with the contributions of our invaluable partners, that has brought us thus far. And now, we're pleased to announce to you an exciting change. Law Society Pro Bono Services will be renamed as Pro Bono SG. This will reflect the commitment of all of Singapore for this community for good. Support Pro Bono SG to help the least, the last, and the lost in law.